There goes Stephen. See him? Stephen Seagull. Stephen Seagull. Oh, doesn't matter. Anyway, so I took the wheels back off now because we finished and we're going home later. Well, tomorrow. Because the tide's not in now till 5. What time tomorrow's the tide, Jane? 4:30. What time's the tide in tomorrow? 4:30? Yeah, 4:45. So what I've done, I've undone the screws. If you saw when I put them together, I've now took them off, put the bolts, back on again. So now what I do is put 4 of these over the top of these, so when I fold the boat in, and it doesn't damage and these don't stick into. And I'll show you how I'm doing that. If it's going to be an idea or not, I do not know, but we'll give it a go.
Oh, nice sticks.
Okay, so I've marked one already. I'm just going to drill a hole. I know it's a bit long-winded, but
screws.
Yeah, so I don't damage the.
What's this for?
Oh, so it'll pile well. I'm going to do a push box. Hold on. Line them up. That's it. I'll carry on doing 4 of these then. Okay, it's got to come over. Look at this. We're going to get wet. I don't hurry up. Okay, so I could do with cutting down a bit because they are a bit long. But for now, till we can get home, I can clean it properly and whatnot. Let's see if I can do this. So. Oh, it's going to come down in a minute. We're going to get absolutely drenched. There we go. See what I mean? Just put him over. Push him down. And push him down. There we go. So all 4 on. So that should now, when I start putting these over, that's what happens, you see. You have to pull these right over, tuck them in, and fold them over. I'll give it a wipe first. It looks like rain coming, but it is rain coming. And give that a wipe out as well. So I don't mind the rain, it'll clean it. Okay, so if I cut them down a little bit more, they can come off quite a bit, you see. They're sitting quite high. So I can take probably about ½ inch off.